All right, we just pulled her back up on the trailer. Andrew's wiping her down. This is that little spot that I was mentioning right there. It's not rough, it's very smooth, so something's been rubbing on it. All right, there she is. Can't believe this ramp is still open. It's getting really low down there. It's getting really shallow. All right, shutting her down.